Ditch those massive download times because today, we're answering the age-old question, can you actually play GTA 5 on Xbox Cloud Gaming on your PC? First things first, you'll need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. This is your golden ticket to the cloud gaming library. It includes access to Xbox Cloud Gaming. Next, make sure you have the Xbox app installed on your PC. You can download it directly from the Microsoft Store. If you don't already have it, open up the app once downloaded. Now, look for the Cloud Gaming section within the Xbox app, usually located on the left-hand navigation bar. Click on that to enter the realm of instant play. Once in the Cloud Gaming library, search for GTA 5 if it is available in your region and currently offered on the service. You'll see the game tile. Keep in mind, game availability can change. Hit the play button, and assuming your PC meets the minimum system requirements and your internet connection is stable, GTA 5 will start streaming directly to your PC. This means you're playing GTA 5 without downloading or installing the game locally, essentially streaming the gameplay directly to your computer. Connect your controller, and you are good to go.